Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have created this beautiful look using all the Too Faced products, and also I have used my lash curler to do my eye makeup. So if you guys want to know how I create this look, then keep on watching. So first I have this primer from Too Faced, the Hangover Primer. So this is going to moisturize my skin. It is very good for oily skin tone. So it is going to make sure the products are going to sit properly on my face. I'm going to apply this primer in all over my face, and this is going to hydrate my face. After that I'm going to take this foundation from Too Faced, and this is the Born This Way foundation. So this foundation is more like neutral tone. I have more warm tone, but it is neutral tone, so it looks little bit off on me. But yeah, I'm going to use concealer and bronzer and contour and everything and make sure everything looks correct. So I'm going to blend this using a flat brush. Then I'm going to take this NOI Bay contour stick. This is the foundation contour stick. So I'm going to go heavy with this, and I'm going to apply it on my cheekbones, in my head and nose, and wherever I like to add some shadow I'm going to apply this. And this contour shade is more warm tone than gray, so it is going to look good. It is going to basically balance the foundation and the concealer. Next I'm going to take this concealer from Born This Way, and this is more of orange tone, so I'm going to apply it the areas near my mouth, under the eyes, my eyelid, and this way it is going to balance out the neutral and the warm, and yeah, it is going to look good. Next I've used some lipstick. I don't have any product from Too Faced, so I have used this lipstick to add some color to my face. This is a matte lipstick, so it was hard to blend. Then I took this powder from Too Faced, this Born This Way powder. This is basically a matte powder, and I'm going to bake my under eyes using this, and also slightly go over my face. Wherever it becomes oily for me, I'm going to apply this powder, and also apply on my eyelid, and rest of those slightly go over my face, rest of my face, wherever it becomes oily. Then I'm going to take this contour palette from Too Faced, and taking this bronzy orangey shade, I'm first going to bronze my face, the areas wherever I still feel like it is still looking neutral. I'm going to apply this powder to make it more warm, because I have naturally more warm tone. Then I'm going to take this Too Faced Just Peachy Mattes eyeshadow palette. So this has all the matte shades. Taking this cool tone shade, dark brown shade, I'm going to fill in my brows. I don't have a brow product from Too Faced, so I'm going to use this to fill in my brows. And the color was perfect for me, I guess. Next I'm going to take this mascara from Too Faced, and it's the Damn Girl mascara. I'm going to apply it to the outer corners of my outer side of my brows to make sure it does not move. Then I'm going to take the lighter shade below my brows to give an highlight effect. It's a matte shadow. Then I'm taking this brown shade first. I started blending my eyelid, applied to my crease of one of my eyes. So first before using the color, I applied this crease color for both my eyelid Then I took the color from color bar, and first I just make it hard, and then I applied this deeper shade to the inner and the outer corner of my eyelid. And then taking an orangey shade, I try to blend the edges, otherwise it was looking quite harsh, so I gave a blended effect using that orange shade. Otherwise, I find like only using the color it was looking very harsh. This side of my eye, I try to did it myself. I followed the crease of my eye and did this line instead of the color, to see how is it different going to look my eyes, one using color and another not using color. And same way I blend it with the orange shade. Then taking an angle brush, I took the deeper shade and try to intensify more. Basically I took a different black color shade and try to intensify the color I have, darker shade I have applied. And then I have removed the baking. I also did my lower lash line. Then I have applied lots of kajal, and then this Damn Girl mascara I have applied. Today I did not used any lashes. If I use lashes, this eye look is going to get covered if I apply some lashes. So I have applied couple of coats of mascara. This mascara is very good. The one is also very good. It curls the lashes. Then I have add some shadow to my face, bronzy contour thing I did. This shade have more brown and gray tone, so I use this to contour my face, little bit on my nose. And taking the orangey shade, I applied it as blush, and this is going to make sure my contour is blended properly. Then taking this lighter whitish yellowish shade, I try to highlight my contour, and all the areas I find like bronzer has been applied excessively, so I try to use this lighter shade. Then I have take this peach must makeup mist from Too Faced and apply it all over my face. And then taking this lip liner, I try to define my lips. Now taking this Too Faced lipstick, I have applied it on all over my lips. Then I have used this lip injection from Too Faced and apply it on the center portion of my lips, and it was burning those lip injection. Then taking this Dior highlighter, I have applied it on the areas I want my face to be highlighted. All the areas I have applied it. And yeah, this is my finished look. If you like this video and this kind of video, please hit on the like button. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.